Today's Rock and Read stories are, If You Give a Mouse a Cookie, by Laura Joff Numeroff, illustrated by Felicia Bond, published by Harper & Row. Chicken Soup with Rice, by Morris Sendak, published by Harper & Row. The Popcorn Book, by Tommy DePaola, published by Holiday House. D.W. the Picky Eater, by Mark Brown, published by Little Brown & Company. The Duckling Gets a Cookie, by Mo Willems, published by Hyperion Harper Incorporated. Little Nino's Pizzeria, by Karen Barber, published by Harcourt Brace Jovanovich. What Happens to a Hamburger, by Paul Showers, illustrated by Ant Rockwell, published by Thomas White Crowell. In the Night Kitchen, by Morris Sendak, published by Harper & Row. Eats Poems, by Arnold Adolph, illustrated by Susan Russo, published by Lothrop Lee and Shepherd Books. Mr. Greedy, by Roger Hargreaves, published by Pan Macmillan Company. Florence and Eric Take the Cake, by Jocelyn Wilde, published by Dial Books for Young Readers. Chicka Chicka 123, by Bill Martin Jr. and Michael Sampson, illustrated by Lois Ellert, published by Simon & Schuster Books for Young Readers.